Hey New York, Zoran Mamdani just stood on stage and claimed he's one of the last surviving Gujarati Muslims because PM Modi supposedly massacred them all. That wasn't the truth. That was theatre. And what he didn't say matters way more than what he did. Let's hear him out.
His family comes from Gujarat in India, and his family is Muslim, I'm Muslim. And Narendra Modi helped to orchestrate what was a mass slaughter of Muslims in Gujarat to the extent that we don't even believe there are Gujarati Muslims anymore. And when I tell someone that I am, it's a shock to them that is even the case. And this is someone who we should view in the same manner that we do Benjamin Netanyahu. This is a war criminal.
Let's look at reality. The official Gujarat 2002 death toll, 794 Muslims, 294 Hindus, something Zoran conveniently forgot. Awful, but not a genocide. And Gujarat's Muslim population grew from 4.5 million in 2001 to 6.6 million by 2011. If PM Modi planned a massacre, he failed spectacularly. Zoran starts his story at episode 2. Let's rewind to episode 1. A mob of 2,000 Muslims surrounded a train of Hindu pilgrims in Gujarat. They attacked hundreds and burned 59 alive. Men, women, babies. That's what triggered the riots. And that wasn't an isolated case. From 1981 to 2002, there were 18 documented massacres of Hindus by Muslims in India, one every year for 2 decades. Zoran, silent. What's called resistance in Gaza, apparently, he calls genocide when Hindus retaliate. Interesting. Zoran calls PM Modi, elected 3 times by 1.4 billion people, a war criminal. But not China's Xi Jinping with 1 million Muslims in camps, Iran's Ayatollah under whom women are raped before execution, Pakistan's PM where Hindu girls are routinely abducted every week and converted to Islam, Houthis in Yemen, his Shia brethren, where 259,000 kids under 5 had dead under their watch. When Hindus bleed, Zoran scrolls past. When Islamists kill, he finds context. I don't live in New York. Zoran's policies won't destroy my economy. But let me say this. He's that guy on dating apps. Tells every girl what she wants to hear. To Muslims, free Palestine Messiah. To college grads, freeze the rent, free bus rides. To liberals, human rights crusader. But the facts, half told. Outrage, selective. The principles, convenient. He's a bomb waiting to explode. Culturally, financially, politically, pun fully intended. Because sometimes the man who promises everything is the one who costs you everything. Fact check before you fall.